On page 5, they talk about headless mode. This is the controller. Headless mode is over here, the second button. You're going to long press it. You're going to hear a beep. You're going to look at the drone, solid light, and you notice it's blinking. So no matter which way I go, this is going to go forward and backward. I'm going to back up so you can kind of see me flying. And I apologize for the small space. That is headless mode. I hope that was helpful to you on the drone. You want to get out of headless mode? Press this button, long press. Notice the light goes solid. So now you fly, this will always go in the direction you're going. That is the difference between headless mode and regular mode. Thank you for viewing.